Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get long-lasting glossy makeup. First, begin with a clean, well-hydrated canvas. Thoroughly cleanse your face, then apply a rich moisturizer to plump your skin. Next, use a hydrating primer to create a smooth, even surface. This crucial step helps your makeup adhere better and prevents it from settling into fine lines, ensuring a flawless and long-lasting glossy finish throughout your day. For your base, choose a dewy or luminous foundation to enhance that glossy effect. Apply it with a damp beauty sponge, gently bouncing it across your skin for a seamless, natural finish. For concealer, focus on areas needing coverage, then lightly set your under-eye area with a tiny amount of translucent powder. This prevents creasing while maintaining a fresh, radiant look for many hours. Now, let's add that beautiful gloss. Apply a liquid or cream highlighter to the high points of your face, your cheekbones, brow bone, and Cupid's bow. This catches the light beautifully. For a natural flush, use a cream blush, blending it upwards towards your temples. Finally, complete your look with a high-shine lip gloss or a hydrating lip oil for a truly radiant and cohesive finish. To ensure your glossy makeup lasts all day, a hydrating setting spray is essential. Mist your face generously to meld all the layers together, creating a seamless, dewy finish. Resist the urge to overpowder, as this can dull your radiant look. For touch-ups, gently blot any excess shine with a blotting paper, preserving your luminous glow for up to 8 hours or more.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.